EcomRobots AI review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called EcomRobots AI. So right now we are on some page. This is not the sales page because the sales page is under construction right now. But to get to the sales page, you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab EcomRobots AI copy here. Click on that link and then you will come to the sales page, okay? So let's see if we have any discount coupon for you. We do. So use this discount coupon EcomRobots 3 instant $3 discount. So this is the coupon code which you can use to get the discount, okay? And what this does, we'll show you the demo video as well in a moment. So we have this information for you. It shows first ever AI platform that instantly creates stunning cinematic animated e-com websites, sales pages, landing pages, and complete funnels, fully written, designed, SEO optimized, and mobile responsive without writing a single line of code. Just enter your product, business, or idea. The AI automatically creates blah, blah, blah. Let's just go and watch this demo video. So you will find this demo video on the sales page as well, which I'm showing you right now. So I'll just play the whole video so that you don't have to watch it later on. So it's only 2 minutes and 30 seconds long. So let's just watch the video now. So you're going to create some websites, landing pages. That's your finished product, the website. That's your store builder. Okay, so all you have to do is just write some command in AI and AI builds everything for you, right? Cool. Are we done? Oh, we're not done yet. So it's thinking, it's building something, as you can see here, I guess. So it says, let me create a comprehensive plan and build this premium e-com store. So everything is happening live. So this is how long it will take. Few seconds more maybe. And we are creating this. You can see home page, about us, contact, everything, custom CSS. And I guess we are nearly there. So building your site, as you can see here on the right side. Okay, still building. 20 seconds to go. And we got your site. So you can create your website just in 2 minutes, as you have seen. And you can always edit everything, and the demo video is done. Okay, so demo is done. That's your finished product, right? That's it. Cool. So let's come back to here. So you have seen everything, and then there are some OTOs. So these are the OTOs. Front end will cost you $15, I guess. You can use that coupon code which I gave you earlier. Then in OTO 1 you can get the unlimited everything, so go and grab OTO 1, and that's all about it. So again, it creates automated sales pages, landing pages, complete funnels, fully written, design, everything else. And go and grab the copy using my link below. Right now sales page is not live because the product is launching tomorrow. So below my video you'll find the link of the sales page. Click on that, and it should be live by then. And then you can go and grab your copy. You have seen the demo video already. Let me show you again. Okay, so you have seen the demo video already, and if you want my bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end now if you want to make money online as well. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales, so you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day, and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it,
don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.